Hi guys, and today I'm going to introduce our TAPTES central console storage box for you. Yeah, and it can fix for your Tesla Model S and Model X. Yeah, this is our central console storage box. You can see that, and it will come with two small pads. Okay. It's a little bit hard to take off. You can see that. This can protect your storage box. Okay. And of course, you can just put some small items into this box. For example, you can just put the coins in your car key. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah. Cash. And your glass. Okay. Your car. Even you can put into your iPhone. Yeah, with our storage box, you can just easy to take your phone and your cash. So this is our generation 1 storage box. You can see that. Okay. 然后我取出来，你要重新拍一个景。
这个有一点点，好像这个垫片这个地方，我不知道到时候可能会抓出来，会有一点，就是没有一点过了。
你先那个停一下，暂停一下。
没事，到时候剪就行。你看这里。
好像没有装出来，看不出来，
看不出来吗？就有点沉的感觉。讲怎样？